Here's how you can become a billionaire by 2030. The key advantage of the 2020s is that we have one asset class that is likely to outperform all other asset classes, which is cryptocurrency. Crypto has had a 200% average return rate over the last 10 years. Now, I'm not saying that Bitcoin and Ethereum will continue to grow at that rate, but smaller projects with utility may. To become a millionaire, you must now invest 6,000 euros in crypto each year, so you need 6 million euro to become a billionaire. To generate that kind of cash flow, you should consider purchasing a small business and invest the cash flow in crypto. While building your crypto portfolio, you can also take out loans against it to buy real estate, thereby building a real estate portfolio.